now becomes a museum as well, art museum. Okay. That's the Singapore Gallery. National Gallery of Singapore. Now on the right side you can see the Padang coming up. They've got that pitch. They look like they're doing some sports over here. Looks like hockey. Yeah, they're playing a hockey sport. Okay, so on the left side, National Gallery of Singapore, and then the right side is the Padang of Singapore. A lot of couples, wedding couples like to come to this building over here to take their wedding photos. It's very nice. So some sort of hockey competition going on. Oh, but it's only ladies, ladies hockey. On this side, some of them having football practice. So on this side is the Singapore Recreational Club. Started by the Eurasians, because back then the cricket club only allow men to join. So the Eurasians didn't like that. So what they do? They open up their own club, and then they allow everybody to join. Not just the men, ladies also can join.